how to completely remove Google Gemini app from your phone. Press on Settings, press on Google, press on All Services, find Search Assistant and Voice, press on Gemini, press on Digital Assistant from Google, and switch to using Google Assistant. If you haven't done so already, you need to actually uninstall the app as well through your app management. Find Gemini app and press on uninstall. Next, what you need to do, open up Google Chrome. If you were to press on a new tab, make sure you press the home icon so that you are viewing Google Chrome. Then press on your profile icon, press manage your Google account, press data and privacy, press on my activity, then on the top left hand corner press on the menu option, press other activity. On this page you will see Gemini apps activity. Press on manage activity, and if you have anything here, simply delete, select all time, and then press delete all Gemini activity. That is how you completely remove Google Gemini from your phone.